Okay, for those of you who are used to going to the record book in STAR but are struggling with how to find your students because there's so many classes, I just want to make sure everyone knew about this. I'm sure some of you already do, but when I go to my record book, it will pull up some of the classes, but I found that they move around and they're not named what they should be, and so it's really difficult to find who's who. So instead, Thomas found out that you can go to these reports, and I have pinned the top 3 at the top that I use. So Start Parent Report, I'll send that sometimes. I really like the instructional planning. My parents like looking at that one. But the STAR Screening Report is the one where you can look at all of your students quickly. So you can change between math and reading right here. But you just choose all of your grades and update the report. And it will go through, of course my first graders haven't tested. It'll go through the few of my second graders, so it'll just show you a quick look of how each grade level scored. So that you can see who has tested and who hasn't and how they did. And then if you're wanting to quickly switch to from math to reading, you just go here and click apply, update report, and it gives you the list of kids like second grade 0 have tested because it's reading, so I didn't give that to them. Third grade, I did have one parent request that he take the test, so I've had one take it, and then so it will show you all the details. I hope that helps.